Good day everyone, my name is Regine Reyes and I'm Teacher 1 applicant. And this will be my skill demonstration video. To be honest, I don't have any NC2 certificates yet, but I believe that I have skill that I can share with you, especially in conducting this new norm classroom setup, online classes or blended learning, to know how to create an interactive Bitmoji classroom. So if you want to have an interactive classroom presentation, just keep watching. Hello again everyone. As I have told you a while ago, I'll be teaching you how to make your own Bitmoji classroom. And this is an example of my Bitmoji classroom. So what is Bitmoji classroom? This is a virtual classroom for your students. This will help you make them feel that they're inside the classroom. So once they click an object here, the students will be directed to the lesson that you want to show them. For example, so once they click the image of the plant, the students will directed to the video about plants. Okay, so they will be learning about parts of plants. And now, let's go back to my Bitmoji classroom, and once they click my book, they will be able to see the one that I'm reading. So I'm reading The New Normal in Education, a challenge to the private basic education institutions in the Philippines. So there. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own. So first off, you must have your Bitmoji account. So you go to bitmoji.com and then just create your account. Then you can click Bitmoji for Chrome desktop so that it will go to your Google extensions. Now, once you have your Bitmoji account already, then you can start now to make your own virtual classroom. So let's go back. After, okay, you have to open your Google Chrome and then find the Google slide. This is where are we going to make our virtual classroom. So let's make it blank. So I want to make my presentation blank first, or my slide blank. I'll just remove the original text boxes and then there. Okay, so first off, I'm going to use my background. So you can choose what color or what will be the color of your background. So I choose this one. We will begin with the base part of our virtual classroom. We will start with the floor. So if you want to add an image, click Insert, Image, then search the web. If you're going to insert some images, you have to type transparent and the object, the word. So if you don't want to type transparent, then you can use PNG. We use transparent backgrounds in order to have a more realistic. So transparent floor. Then Just choose whatever you want. Okay. I think I'm gonna use this as my floor. Just click, hold, and then drag. Then we can resize it to make it fit. Make it fit with your slide. In doing virtual classroom, it will take a lot of effort and patience, of course, and time. Now, if you don't want to use this as your background, then you can just insert shape, then shapes, and then choose the rectangle. So just place it there. There you go. Now, if you don't want this color, you can click fill color, then choose the color that you want. I actually don't use too bright colors. There. So this will be my main background. Alright, so in the classroom, of course, we're going to put things that we can see and inside the classroom. The classroom must have whiteboard or blackboard. Just choose whatever you want, what design you want. So I'll be choosing this. And I'll place it at the center of my virtual classroom. There. So I think it's in the center, in the middle already. After this, we're going to put a wall clock. So you just have to do the same. Just search with the word transparent. Then we can add clock. Okay. Every classroom has a clock. So I want to use this one as our wall clock. Then usually we place the wall clock at the top of our board there. Okay. Next is we're going to put a bookshelf. I want to use this as my bookshelf. Just resize and place it properly. Okay, you can just resize there. Okay. So for my classroom, I also want to put a banner to design the top of my board. So I'll be using, okay, then just do the same procedure, use scale, make it fit. Let's just resize it. There. Okay, now after that, I'm going to put an alphabet poster. For example, I'll be using this. It has alphabet and numbers at the same time. Let's just scale, make it fit. Alright, I just want to put it here. Okay, then after, let's insert a kindness banner. Where is it? This one. Thank you for your kindness. This will remind them to be kind every day. Let's put a rug. I'll be using this one. and just place it properly. Next is I'm going to put a plant. I'll place it at the top of the bookshelf. I will be putting another object, which is my table or desk. Let's try the word table. Okay, I think I can use this as my table already. So after, just click, drag, and skip. Now let's put a chair, teacher's chair. I'll be using this one. If you want to put this at the back of the table, then you can right click, then order, then send backward. So there you go. It's at the back of the table already. Now I'm going to put my Bitmoji. So it's very important in your virtual classroom, you have there your Bitmoji. The presence of the teacher is very important in the classroom. So I'll choose this one. So I want my Bitmoji to send at the back of the table. Okay. So this will be our classroom. Next thing that we're going to do is just click text box and place the cross here. We will write good morning. Okay. You can make it big by adding font size. Okay, if you want to place it at the center, then just find alignment and then center. You can actually change also the colors. You proceed to the text color and you change it to your preferred color. Now, once you're done, we're going to have the pasting link in the selected images. So for example, this plant. I want my students that once they click this image, they will watch a video about the parts of a plant. So you go to your YouTube, and for example, this one, I want my students to watch this video. So of course, you must watch also the video because there are some videos that contain not applicable for the students. So you can just copy the URL, then you go back to your Bitmoji classroom. So if you want to paste your link already, you can click insert, then link, and then you paste the URL of the video, then you apply. Okay. In clicking this one, thank you for your kindness image. I want my student to have or to watch a video about kindness so that they will be reminded of that they have to be kind always. So I want my students to watch this short animated video. Just do the same thing, copy the URL, then insert, click link, then paste then apply. So imagine we're done na with our virtual classroom. Just click the present Bitmoji. So this will be our virtual classroom.